What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and in today's video, we're checking out Realme again. So we've covered two of their phones in previous videos recently, the Realme 3 and the Realme 3 Pro. Both of those phones are really budget friendly and they can pack quite a punch. And I think that seems to be the theme going on here at Realme. They want to give us phones that pack a punch at a affordable price. So in this video, we're taking a look at their entry-level contender, the Realme C2. So first of all, you have to unbox the device. So under the box, you're greeted with another box. You flip that over and you get a cool message that says, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." Open that up and you get your SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. So under the initial box, you're greeted with the device itself. And under that, you can get your power adapter and a USB-A to micro USB cable. And that's pretty much it for the box. So here's the Realme C2 in all of its glory. At the back, you can see it's made of a polycarbonate material, but you do get this diamond cut design. And I'm kind of digging it, especially since all the other phones on the market today are trying to go for that plastic wannabe glass, trend type of thing. And it's refreshing to see this one. At the upper left portion of the back, you can find your camera module. Its primary camera uses a 13 megapixel sensor and the secondary camera is a 2 megapixel sensor for sensing depth. At the front, you get a 6.1 inch HD Plus display, and I believe this is LCD and not OLED. And you kind of get some pretty thick bezels around here, but for the price, it's not that bad honestly. You also get a dewdrop display here with the speaker grill on top, and it can get fairly bright. Not the brightest panel I've seen, but it gets pretty bright. Checking out the buttons and ports, like I said in the unboxing, you get a micro USB port here at the bottom. You get your noise cancelling mic for a loudspeaker, a 3.5mm audio jack, and your single downward firing speaker over here. On the left side of the device, you get a 2+1 card slot, your volume rockers. Your power button can be found on the right side, and up top, there's completely nothing. Powering the Realme C2 is a 4000 mAh battery. And out of the box, you also get Android 9.0 with ColorOS 6 skinned on top. The processor in this thing is the MediaTek Helio P22 processor, and so let's check out the camera on this thing real quick. So the Realme C2 is priced at 5,490 pesos for the 2 gigs of RAM plus 16 gigs of internal storage variant, and 6,490 for the 3 gigs of RAM plus 32 gigs of internal storage variant. So, what did you guys think of the Realme C2? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.